Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop ManyChat messages. All right, so I'm going to be showing you multiple options for this one. So first up, you'd go ahead and pause an automation. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a step right here, this one. Then just go ahead over to actions. Now click on action right here. Under automation, you have at the very bottom, pause all automation. Now, where do you insert this action? Maybe right here. Okay. Delete this one, and then it will stop the messages. Okay. Another option, which is permanent, you go ahead and go to settings and find a channel. For example, you have Instagram right here. You can go ahead and scroll down. Okay. You can just temporarily disable it here, by the way, if you want to stop automations for Instagram, or you can just go ahead and remove your Instagram account to disconnect it permanently, so you won't be able to get any messages. Okay. And also, by the way, while we're in here, you can go and scroll up. You have here the default reply. It says here Instagram default reply. Make sure that this one is deleted or turned off. Now, if you are a recipient, by the way, you can just go ahead and remove unwanted ManyChat messages by just simply replying. Could be a stop or unsubscribe, as it usually triggers other platforms' native unsubscribe function. That is how you stop ManyChat messages. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.